Myself, Dr. Ashok, studied in Srinivas Institute of Medical Science, Mangalore. DigiNerve, during my final prof, of all 5 subjects like medicine, surgery, pediatrics, orthopedics and obstetrics and gynecology, where all are guru subjects of in medicine field. So which was very difficult to clear some concepts of medicine mainly, majorly big systems like CVS, RS and all. It was very easily, smoothly was given by and said by Bolur sir. I am very thankful to him. And when it comes to surgery also, Sriram Bhatt, he is also absolutely no doubt in his classes or lectures. And when it comes to other subjects like OBGYN and Pediatrics and Orthopaedics, those things also made our concepts very clear, especially in Orthopaedics also. So I was easily acquiring knowledge, that too I was preparing well with DigiNerve. So I was very happy to start up with DigiNerve and it was going good. DigiNerve was like a memory. In any time, any place, we could have gone through easily with any videos, wherever we can replenish our memory. I was not feeling any difficult topics like as subjects, 5 subjects majorly what I was telling. And yeah, some difficulties were there in medicine and surgery. That was very easily cleared by the same authors. The listening of the class, visuals and the same book. It was very aptly integrated by DigiNerve. So it was not so difficult for me to cope up with any subjects. Clinical case scenarios, there is no words or no comments to be told. Medicine and surgery is excellent, and even pediatrics, that ma'am is too good. Regarding all those stuff and all, she did very well. And examinations of any systems in medicine and even in surgery also, it is too good. That personally helped me out to secure good marks in practicals of my final prof exams, in like university exams. When we take a cases previously or on the same day, and if we get some 15 to 20 minutes to see DigiNerve practical classes, then if we are answering the questions in front of our professors, it's kindly a proud thing for that moment. So definitely it is helping for me during my posting classes. I got first rank in my final prof, which I was never dreamt about it. I was just studying and I was working in COVID duty also. So because of DigiNerve, whenever time permits to me, I was watching DigiNerve. That saved a lot of time for me because the same author's textbooks I was using. So by seeing those videos, it was very kindly saving my time. And later during my exams, the very tough papers were answered well. And later when results were out, then I got to know that I topped my batch. So that was a very exciting thing which I never even think about it. But DigiNerve, thank you so much. Top dog bane wahi, jiska guide ho sahi.